Welcome students. In this video we will observe how one medical syringe works with the air pressure. Okay. So for this particular experiment we have taken one medical syringe and a bowl of water. So let's start the experiment. Okay. So see, this is the medical syringe and these 2 points are the end points of the medical syringe. Okay. So now this particular thing is called the piston of the syringe. Okay. Now see, when we pull down the piston, it easily coming down. Okay. When we stop pulling it, it stays at the particular point where we have left it. Okay. Again see, we are pulling down the piston. Now we have stopped pulling it. It stays at the particular point. Okay. Where we have left it. We have left here. So the piston stops here. Okay. So now this is because when we pull down the piston, the atmospheric air surrounding the syringe enters through this opening of the syringe into the syringe, inside the syringe. Okay. So the air pressure at both the end of the syringe is equal. Okay. And balances each other. The air pressure on this side and the air pressure on this side, both the sides are equal in amount and they balances each other. So when we stop pulling the piston, it stays at that particular point. Okay. Now again, what to do? Close this. Now close this opening of the syringe tightly with your fingertip. Okay. Like this. Hold tightly the opening of the syringe. Okay. Now let us again pull down the piston. See, it comes down. Now stop pulling it. See what happens? It automatically goes up. See. So in this case, the piston is not staying at the particular point up to where we have pulled it. Okay. It suddenly goes upwards. Okay. So this is because as we have tightly closed this end of the syringe, the atmospheric air cannot enter the syringe through this particular hole. Okay. So what happens? The air pressure, see, the air pressure at this particular end is now 0 and the air pressure at this end is more. Okay. See, the air pressure here is 0. So the air pressure at this side pushes the piston of the syringe upwards. So it suddenly goes up. Okay. Now let us dip this syringe into the water bowl. Okay. So we have taken this water bowl. Now dip the syringe inside the water. Okay. We are dipping the syringe and now pull up the piston of the syringe. See, water is entering inside the syringe. So water has entered inside the syringe through this opening. So now this is because the air pressure acting on the surface of the water pushes the water to enter into the syringe. Okay. So now again see. Now the force which is acting on the surface, the air pressure which is acting on the surface of the water, that particular air pressure pushes the water to enter into the syringe. Okay. See. Now the air pressure is pushing the water inside the syringe. Okay. So now the water enters the syringe through this opening because of air pressure. Okay. So this is how one medical syringe works with the principle of air pressure. Okay. Thank you.